Do you want to do your first data analysis in Python but don't even know where to start? My name is Thomas from PyGinners, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you step by step how you can install Anaconda, a program with which you can start doing your first data analysis in Python. Okay, let's start by downloading Anaconda. Anaconda is an open source distribution that includes Python and a bunch of other useful tools, including Jupyter Notebooks. Head over to the Anaconda website. You'll find the link in the description of the video below. Choose the appropriate installer for your operating system, whether you're on Windows, Mac, or Linux. Make sure to select the right version depending on your system. Once you've downloaded the installer, go ahead and run it. Choose whether you want to install Python just for you or for all users. Here you have an option to add Anaconda to your path environmental variable. I recommend you to leave it at the default destination. Here I advise you to select the recommended options. Now the installation is finished and you can start Anaconda. Now we are in Anaconda Navigator and see all its different tools. We want to click on Jupyter Notebooks. A web browser window is being opened. This is the interface for Jupyter. Here you can create new notebooks, rename them, and start writing Python code right away. Let's run our first line of code and I'll type x equals 5. By hitting Shift and Enter, we can execute the cell. Another option to execute the cell is to click the play icon here. If I now type in x to a new cell and execute it, we'll get the output 5 that we had defined before. Another prominent example that I can give you is the print command. We can type print PyGinners and run this cell, and we'll get PyGinners as a string. So, and lastly, I want to show you how you can save your file. If you go to File, Save Notebook As, you can enter a name, installation, for instance, and save it. Now it's saved under this name. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe so that I know that you like this kind of content. Also, if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thank you so much and see you in the next one.